If you wanna install a new font in your Phonto app, this is the way to do it. We're gonna use Safari in this case. You can do any browser, that's fine. And you're gonna go to Google and you're gonna tap the font like this, the font. And then once you get the result, you're gonna tap on the first option, and then you're gonna see this website. This website is very simple and easy to use, but at the same time is so powerful. So here you can like find a lot of different fonts, and let's say that you found a font that you like and you already know the name. That's very important. You gotta know the name of the font so you can find it. In this case, I'm just gonna look for this one because I like it. Its name is Altois, so let's look for it. So you're gonna go to the search bar and type in the name of the font that you want. We're gonna tap on done and then search, and then you're gonna see this result. With a lot of other fonts you get like multiple results. In this case I only got one, which is fine because this is the actual font that I like. So I'm just gonna go to the right side and tap on download, and then you're gonna see a very simple window, and that's gonna be a confirmation. So it's gonna ask you to install the font on your app. In this case it says Phonto. I guess you can use the same method with different apps, but in this case I'm just gonna use it with Phonto. So we're gonna tap on install again, and it's super quick, very easy because the files are not that big. Now we're gonna tap on the little icon right here, and we're just gonna select the plain image just to see how it looks. We're gonna use this new font, and I'm gonna use it so you get the idea of how to find it. So we're just gonna tap on the plain image and add text, and then we're gonna type in new font. Okay, once we have that, we're gonna tap right here on font, and we're gonna look for the new font that we installed. So here we have it. I'm gonna tap on that, and then the font is already changed and it's installed and ready to use. I'm just gonna tap on done, and here you have it. I'm just gonna center it. You can like apply different effects. Of course, if you already know how to use Phonto, you can just like go ahead and do your stuff. And if you don't know how to edit text, and if you don't know how to find the name of fonts, I'm gonna leave 2 links on the description, or 2 small windows at the end of this video, so you can tap on those, and I'm gonna show you on those videos how you can find the name of one of the fonts that you like. How can you find them, and also how you can edit text so it looks better, it looks different, it looks more attention grabbing, you know. So thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.
Without